Do you know many people are having trouble with unwanted white lines appearing on their prints? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check nozzles. Start by running a nozzle check to identify any gaps in the nozzle pattern. This will help determine if clogs are causing the horizontal lines. Step 2. Clean print head. If you find gaps, clean the print head using the control panel or printer software to resolve any clogs impacting print quality. Step 3. Power clean. Conduct a power cleaning if the regular cleaning doesn't improve the print quality. Ensure your ink levels are at least 1/3 full to avoid printer damage. Step 4. Align head. Align the print head using the maintenance menu. Follow on-screen instructions for proper alignment to ensure smooth and consistent printing. Step 5. Check paper. Ensure your paper settings match the loaded paper type and properly load paper with the printable side facing up for the best results. By following these steps, you should be able to eliminate the white lines and enjoy clear, consistent prints. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Epson users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.